Get ready to witness the future of smartphones. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is finally here, and it's about to change everything you thought you knew about mobile technology. In this video, we'll take a first look at the groundbreaking features, stunning design, and powerful specs of the S25 Ultra. Stick around because you won't want to miss a single detail. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a masterpiece of modern engineering. With its ultra-slim profile and premium materials, this phone feels as good as it looks. The seamless glass and metal construction, combined with a new matte finish, gives it an elegant yet durable feel. The display on the S25 Ultra is nothing short of spectacular. Boasting a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 3X panel with a 144Hz refresh rate, this screen offers the best visuals on any smartphone. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just scrolling through social media, the colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the details are crystal clear. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera setup is a game-changer. With a 200MP primary sensor, a 100x space zoom telephoto lens, and an advanced AI-powered image processor, you can capture stunning photos in any condition. Low-light photography, ultra-wide landscapes, and super detailed close-ups, all are possible with this incredible camera system. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the next-gen Exynos 2500 chipset, paired with up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming, this phone handles it all with ease. Plus, with a massive 6000 mAh battery and ultra-fast 65W charging, you'll never have to worry about running out of juice. Running on the latest Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 6.0, the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers a smooth and intuitive user experience. New features like AI-driven multitasking, enhanced privacy controls, and seamless device integration make this phone not just smart but also incredibly user-friendly. So, is the Galaxy S25 Ultra the best phone of the year? With its unbeatable design, state-of-the-art display, groundbreaking camera, and powerhouse performance, it just might be. But, of course, all this cutting-edge tech comes at a price. The S25 Ultra is expected to start at $1,299, making it a premium device for those who demand the best. Thanks for watching our first look at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech content, and let us know in the comments what feature you're most excited about.